we're gonna make this point. It's so good. Bop. So you're gonna make it cord.
First, you want to take one piece of paper,
What?
fold it in half long ways, then unfold it, and then you want to make
in triangles.
a triangle at the top,
Someone's gonna pick them all the way up when I'm done.
and fold it again,
Right? What's me?
and then fold it again. Oh, and then fold it down,
Then fold it up
and then leave a little bit and fold it up,
that way.
over.
And fold it like that. Then fold it like that.
And then throw it like where I can see it, like throw it that way.
And this is how it goes.
Whoa! And that's how you do it.
Yes.